Congratulations on joining the Staffworks team! This is your Timesheet Portal walkthrough, a step-by-step guide on how to log into the Timesheet Portal and submit your timesheets. You should have already received a portal login email with your login information and a link to the portal. You can also access the portal by visiting www.staffworkscanada.com and clicking Employee Login at the top menu bar. To log in, enter the username and password provided in your login email. You'll have the option to change your password after your first login. Once you've entered your login information, click the blue Login button. Don't forget to set the Remember Me button to Yes in order to save your password for future use. Now you're in! To access your timesheets, click the green Timesheet Projects button on the left of the page. This is where you will see your timesheets. If you worked on more than one assignment in the same week, you will be able to fill out separate timesheets for each. If you don't see your assignment listed, click the gray Add Tasks button in the upper left corner. There, you'll be able to select the assignment and click OK. The date range in the upper right corner will always default to the current week. To view previous timesheets, you can click the back buttons. Now you can enter your hours. Start by picking the date for which you want to input hours. Click the corresponding field, and a small box will pop up. Select Clock In/Out, and a new pop-up will appear. This is where you input your hours worked. Select your start time and your end time, and don't forget to enter your break times too. To save your timesheet without submitting it, use the green Save button. Make sure you do this every time you input new hours. At the end of the week, you can submit your hours for approval by clicking the blue Submit button that will be located on your screen between the green Save and the gray Add Tasks buttons. When your hours have been saved successfully, you will see these boxes with your hours outlined in blue. This means your timesheet is pending. When you have submitted your hours successfully, you will see these boxes outlined in yellow. This means your timesheet has been submitted to your manager. Once your manager reviews and approves your timesheet, you will see these boxes outlined in green. Approved. If your hours are outlined in red, this means your timesheet has been rejected. Contact your manager if your hours have been rejected. Hours that have been entered and saved can always be changed later on. However, once your hours have been submitted, you can no longer make any changes. If you made an error when inputting your hours, let your manager know so they can make the necessary changes before approving your timesheet. If you submitted your timesheet in error, contact your recruitment specialist and they will set the timesheet back to pending status. Did you forget your password? It happens. Click the blue menu button at the top left to head back to the main page. At the bottom of this page, click the Reset Password button. You'll be sent an email with instructions on how to change your password.